Alright, in this problem we want to convert some units of measurement. Here we're given 60 miles per hour and we want to convert that to kilometers per hour, a metric measurement. How do we do that? We're given the conversion, 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. So we're going to keep our units to show how this works. So we have 60 miles per hour, and what we want to do, we want to get rid of our miles and put kilometers in its place. So I'm going to put miles down here, and above it, kilometers. And the reason I do that is that the miles are going to cancel, just like when you're multiplying rational expressions. What's the conversion? We said kilometer, miles, we're going to put whatever's here. 1 mile, so 1 here, 1.6 next to the kilometers, and we're going to multiply it. So in other words, this is 60 over 1. You think of it 60 over 1. The miles will cancel, and what we're left with is 60 times 1.6 km over hour. And so that gives you 96 kilometers per hour. Now, so 60 miles an hour is 96 kilometers per hour. Here's another one. We want to convert 120 kilometers per hour to miles per hour. So we're going the other way now. So let's do the same idea, what we just did. We'll have 120 km per hour. And we want to get rid of the km, so we're going to put km's down here and miles up here. Remember, this is 120 over 1. And what's the conversion again? The conversion factor is 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. So 1 goes up here and 1.6 goes down here. And what's going to happen here is the kilometers will cancel, cross cancel, just like when you're multiplying a rational expression. And we're left with miles over hours. But what are we going to get here? We're going to have 120 times 1, which is 120, divided by 1 times 1.6 miles per hour. And so we have to do that calculation, and we get 75 miles per hour. So we see 120 kilometers an hour is the same as 75 miles an hour. We'll take one more example. Alright, here we're asked to convert 20 feet per second to miles per hour. Here's a unit of speed, feet per second, and another unit of speed, miles per hour. They're both speeds. We're given that 1 mile is 5,280 feet, and 1 hour is how many seconds? Well, 60 seconds make a minute, and 60 minutes make an hour, so 60 times 60, 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So to do this, we write our 20 feet per second. And first of all, let's say we want to get rid of the seconds. So we're going to put seconds up here, and what do we want to replace it with? Hours. So we want hours down below. So we'll be ending up with feet per hour with this. And so what are the units? Well, 3,600 seconds is 1 hour. So we put 3,600 here and 1 down below it. Remember, we have 20 over 1. Okay, and our seconds will cancel, so we have feet per hour so far. But we don't want feet per hour, we want miles per hour. So we have to do one more step here. We need to get rid of those feet. They're on the top, so I'm going to put these feet here on the bottom. And on the top, I want miles. So we're going to put miles on the top. And again, we have to put a conversion. We're multiplying through by this. What's the conversion? Well, 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And we see these feet will cancel with these feet. And if we multiply all across, tops and bottoms, we get 20 times 3,600. 20 times 3,600 times 1 divided by 1 times 1 times 5,280. And that's going to be in miles per hour. And so we calculate that out to get 13.6 miles per hour, mph, miles per hour.